Hi, I'm John Tansley. I'm the Derbyshire Fireplace Centre Showroom Manager here at Bolsover. What we do here at the Derbyshire Fireplace Centre is supply not only traditional fires but contemporary fires, any suite to suit. We've got multi-fuel stoves, we've got gas fires, we've got electric fires. Well, 95% of what we sell is UK manufactured. We're very proud of that. We are a family-run business and we like to treat our customers as family. So come and see us, have a look round. If you want any help with anything, we are more than happy to help. We've got over 40 live displays and they're all set out as they would be in your living room, so you can actually visualise how it would look in your own home. Everything is laid out on one level, so we are wheelchair friendly, so access is not a problem. We've got plenty of customer parking outside and it's a very relaxed environment. So if you are in the market for a new fireplace or you're looking for inspiration, pop down to the Derbyshire Fireplace Centre. We are literally 4 minutes off junction 29A of the M1.